Good morning friends, I'm 𝙈𝙤𝙩𝙝𝙨 from class 6A and today I'm going to show you how to make a waterfall card like this. So this is my waterfall card and here I made it for the project. And I have written on every flip. And so today I'll show you how to make waterfall card like this. So for making the waterfall card, what you have to do, take a big strip like this, and then you have to take some squares like this. You can see. You have to take some squares. I have taken 5 squares, and then what you have to do is keep a square here and draw a line here like this. As many cards you have, that many lines you have to draw on the same distance from the first line, and you have to stick cards on the line like this. Like this. Like this you have to stick all the cards. After you stick them all, then what you have to do is take this like this and you have to fold it from here like this. And then you have to take one strip like this and from back side you have to take it here like this. From the last page you have to take it like this, and you have to take it from back side like this, and you have to stick it here. Like this. If you want to make your card like this, so what you have to do, just take designer paper like this and stick it here and cut it into this shape like this. You can see like this shape, and take a glitter foam sheet and cut it into heart shape and stick a stone over it like this. So if you want to stick it like this, then what you have to do, apply glue on this strip and stick it here like this. If you like this waterfall card, then like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more new videos and press the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you.